Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? I have not filmed a video in almost a year. I've been gone for a very long time, just moving out, just living life and all. But I'm back and I want to come at you guys with a new hygiene routine for this summer. The truth is, not everyone knows how to clean their body properly. Some people, they don't do all the proper steps to actually smell good all day long. So the first step is, what are you cleaning your body with? That's really important. It's either you get a loofah, a washcloth, exfoliating gloves, anything like that. I personally use exfoliating gloves. I bought this at Walmart. It was like around $4.38. This is like the closest you could get to having like the smoothest body is with these. These help so much, and they have them at the dollar store too, like the Dollar Tree, but I could not find it, so I got it at Walmart. It's only $4.38, I think, around there, or probably $5, but it's not expensive at all. So what I do is, whenever I go in the shower, is first I put on my gloves. Well, I wash my face first, but we're not gonna talk about that today. So I put on my gloves and I wet them, and then I get my Caress. This is my bar soap. I use this. I always been using this. This smells so good, and I feel like it makes me smell good all day. So I rub the bar soap between my gloves until it gets like really foamy. Put it on my body. I scrub my body. What's really important is to scrub your armpit area. You always want to scrub your armpits, just to get all that gunk out, especially when you are always putting deodorant every day. You have to scrub your armpit so you can get all that gunk out. If you keep putting buildup on top of buildup, you're just gonna smell nasty. It's gonna smell like the deodorant and sweat at the same time, and that's not what you want for the summer. So while I'm cleaning my body with the bar soap, I go everywhere. And I go behind my ears, I go on my neck, I go on my armpit, I even TMI, but I even like scrub my butt. You have to scrub your butt, you have to scrub your back, you have to scrub everywhere, even your feet. You have to scrub everywhere just to make sure you're getting all that dead skin out. You go outside every day. You don't want that to be in your bed at night. You don't want that to be all over you all day. You have to scrub all that off. With using these gloves, your skin will feel so silky smooth. It will feel like a baby, and it will start glowing. You will not regret it once you get these gloves. So that was step one. Step two, what I do after I'm done using my bar soap, I use this. I got this at Walmart too. This is by Tree Hut. This is the Shea Sugar Scrub, and it's Moroccan Rose. I got the rose one because everything I'm gonna show you right here, like my body wash, my spray, my lotion, it's all rose scent. You just exfoliate your body with this. So I use this mostly in my armpits. It gets all the gunk out with this. This smells absolutely amazing. You guys would not regret it once you buy it. So after that, I use my body wash. My body wash, I actually ran out of it, but they have this at Walmart too. So they have this one. This is the rose one, and it's by Ren Pure body wash. This smells so good, and this only lasts me around a month, because I use like at least 3 squirts of this on my exfoliating gloves. But it smells so good. I think it's like $4, if not $5. Everything I bought here is really inexpensive. It's not a lot of money to buy all these products, and it's very cheap. So if it's cheap and you can smell good all day, why not? Try it. You will not regret it. Once you do this routine, you will not stop. You will love taking a shower. Sometimes it feels like a chore for people, but I love going inside the shower and doing my routine, because after I feel pampered, smooth, and I just feel ready for the day. So again, this is the product. I got this at Walmart, and you guys should get it too. It makes me smell really good. Now, if you're going to the shower and you're planning on shaving, what I really recommend is to get a shaving gel. Honestly, I never really used shaving gels, but I recently started doing it. And I don't think I'm gonna go back, because when you use a shaving gel while shaving, after, it makes your skin feel so silky, really silky. It's better than using conditioner. Usually I use conditioner to shave, or just any soap I see around, but this will not top the feeling. Once you're done shaving, you feel so smooth. I got this at the Dollar Tree. It was just $1. That's the product name right there. And the flavor is raspberry with vitamin E and aloe. So this is very good. I recommend this product a lot. Now, some of you guys might ask, okay, well, you're cleaning your body. How about down there? If you're a girl, you know how it's like for the summer, you know, you get sweaty and all. It's TMI, but it's the truth, you know. That's what we go through, you know, and we have to take care of that. So what I recommend to clean down there, sometimes you could, you know, just use this plain hot water. But for me, personally, I want to use something like a soap. So you either get Vagisil, which is good for your pH balance, or Dove, the sensitive one. I use this one, the baby one. This is really good to clean down there. It doesn't irritate at all. It doesn't throw off your pH balance. You can use this multiple times and you will feel so fresh. You just would not go back. I think it's very, very important to clean down there because honestly, if you're not clean down there and you just like, I don't know, open your legs a little bit, you're gonna smell it and anyone else can smell it too. And you don't want to be embarrassed. You want to just clean your body, make sure you're clean. You don't have to worry about nothing. And if you do smell like fish on there or any like odor or discoloration, please go get checked out. You know, it's really important for you to have your health, you know, intact. You don't want to mess with that, you know. And then once you get that medication and go through that process, then you could start off with a new routine and start using, you know, either Dove or Vagisil to clean down there. And you'll be good. Okay, now after all of that process is done, after cleaning and scrubbing your body, what you want to do, you're gonna hop out the shower, you know, and dry yourself off. And what I use as a lotion, I got this at Bath and Body Works. So first what I do is I put this on. This is the rose scent, again from Bath and Body Works. You're gonna put this on and you're gonna lather it all over your body, put it everywhere. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray this body spray on. This is also rose scent. You're gonna spray this all over. Spray it now. This smells so good. And I use quite a bit, honestly. I put it all over my whole body. So after you're done with this, put this on. I got this here at my mall where I live, and it's an off-brand, but it's called Amazing. It smells really good. It smells like candy. So I just put this on top as a perfume and then I smell good the whole day. It lasts long. For deodorant, I really recommend using a spray-on deodorant because for me personally, if I use a stick one, it doesn't last long and it also causes buildup. You know, you just put it on, let it dry, and that's it. And you smell good the whole day. This one is the stress control one. Okay, now after you're done layering all your perfumes, lotions, all that, you want to put a powder in the areas that can get sweaty, especially if you're gonna go outside. You need to put powder because if not, your skin's gonna rub together and it could cause a rash, or it's just the odor is gonna start to sweat. And you know, I use it down there in between my thighs. Sometimes I use it in my armpits. Sometimes I use it under my boobs right here because it does get sweaty right there if you do have big boobs, or any place that could get sweaty. You want to put this and you feel dry the whole day. So I do recommend putting powder. Some people don't use powder and they don't know that you can use this to not sweat that much. You know, it actually does help, especially if you're a chubby girl. Okay, and that's all the products I use for my body. So in conclusion, what you want to do is you want to get exfoliating gloves. If you get this, that's the first step to even like trying to smell good all day because it takes off all your dead skin. And then you want to get a scrub. That's very important to get a scrub. You want to get powder, like I said before, powder, bar soap, liquid soap, dry shampoo, shaving gel if you plan on shaving, and Dove for your private area, and perfume, lotion, any type you want, and you'll be good. You'll smell fresh the whole summer. If you guys need any more tips, let me know. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll come out with more content for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.